So the first thing you do is you press down from the home screen, and then you see wallpaper and style at the bottom. It will bring you here. Now another way you can do it, if you want to you can also go to settings. If you don't want to go through the shortcut, you can go to settings and tap on wallpaper and styles. You see it there. Don't see it, you may see it under your display. So once you see it, you now click on my wallpaper. You see it in wallpapers. You can tap on it up to see live wallpapers. So you can see the live wallpaper here. This is a live wallpaper. So this is it. Now this is the one I have. Yours will be different. If you also want to use, you can see lock screen wallpaper services. For me, you can also use the wallpaper from your gallery by tapping on gallery. And to open your gallery, you can see the wallpapers and choose the one you want. So once you've chosen, let's say I want to change to this one, you'll see settings. Now choose whether it's for home screen or lock on home screen. You decide, and then you confirm by setting it. It's as simple as that.